Hello, how are you? It's Ching, and I'm in my own studio now. I have been here for 17 years. Today is January 3rd, 2023. I'm going to start video on my teaching in my own studio now. This is just one section of my studio. It's a group classes session, and we have the private and the rehab section over the other side. So little by little, I will introduce you different look of my studio. And I want to celebrate 2023 with Qigong that I have developed back in the summer of 2020. A little scary time, and I was, home and locked down, closed the studio for 3 months, and looking at all these beautiful trees and flowers in my garden. I understand the spring always around the corner, and so hopefully, right? We're looking forward to 2023. It will be the spring. The most important thing is you have to believe, and I hope you do. And this amazing body is so well equipped that God gave it to us. And if we know how to take care of ourselves, focus on the wellness, and that's mean breathing, nutrition, and exercise all together. And there are different ways of exercise. So my book came out October 2021, and so pretty much I'm combining the East and West together. Some of you have seen my video already, and with the integrating the I'm Chinese, right? Integrating Chinese way of the wellness. I'm from Taiwan, growing up in Taiwan. Came here long time ago. So this is almost my second home. Sometime talk about maybe the first home. But now I just want to share with you this Qigong that I developed back in 2020. And I call it the Fearless Heights of Wellness Qigong. So my studio's name is Heights of Wellness. I'm going to do this Qigong twice facing you and twice turn away from you so you can see both. I'm not going to teach too much. I'm just going to share this as a celebration for right now. Gradually, each week, I'm going to upload more videos as more of a teaching project, okay? So here we go. I'm starting out, and it's a little poetry, so hopefully you hear me clearly. Here we go, and back up a little bit. You can see the whole thing. Here we go, I think I'm good. So you ready? Here we go. Give the negativity and fear to the Mother Earth. Mother Earth will convert that into a positive growth. With the positive growth, you become mature. And with the maturity, you develop the understanding. And with the understanding, you create your life. Since you're the creator of your life, you're the master of your life. Under one, our God. Given negativity and fear to the Mother Earth, Mother Earth will convert that into a positive growth. With the positive growth, you become mature. And with the maturity, you develop the understanding. And with the understanding, you create your life. Since you're the creator of your life, you're the master of your life under one God. Now I'm going to turn around. Okay, so here we go. So right side and left side, so it's easier to follow. Give the negativity and fear to the Mother Earth. Mother Earth will convert that into a positive growth. With the positive growth, you become mature. With the maturity, you develop the understanding. With the understanding, you create your life. Since you're the creator of your life, you're the master of your life under one God. And give the negativity and fear to Mother Earth. Mother Earth will convert that into a positive growth. With the positive growth, you become mature. With the maturity, you develop the understanding. With the understanding, you create your life. Since you're the creator of your life, you're the master of your life under one God. And that's it. And that's our celebration. Welcome the year 2023. I'll see you, hopefully see you over and over, and come to the studio. And if you look up my website, www.heightsofwellness.com, there are many weekend workshops. I would love to meet you here so you get an in-person training and in-person learning and a lot of feedback. So hopefully to see you in my studio. I'm in Connecticut. So check out my website, and thank you for being with me today, and hope you have a wonderful plan and focus in 2023, special your wellness. Take good care. Bye.